Yes, you could put your phone in this, but the cool thing about it is that this is adjustable. Peel the sticker off and stick this where you want to stick it. You can put your whole iPad in here, dog. That's kind of crazy. And the cool thing about this design is that it can tilt forward and backwards. I could imagine just being on my lunch break and putting my whole iPad in here, dog. And another thing, you can twist this whole thing 360. Like I said, you could put your phone in here or any tablet. So you could stick it there right above your steering wheel, stick it here right in the center, or even better, just stick it on your center console so your kids can watch the iPad in the back seat. If you want to get one of these for yourself, I'll have it linked right here in the video.